Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today, I will show you how I will make a recipe for a laundry bar. And I will only use two powerful high cleansing oils for laundry bar. And I will be needing 100% soybean oil. This is what I'm using. And then coconut oil, or like this coconut oil. It doesn't need to be organic, but I have this organic coconut oil, and this one refined coconut oil. Any coconut oil will do for this laundry bar. So we'll go to the computer and I will show you guys how I make my recipe for laundry bar. Okay, if you have your computer, we will open a new window and you will type soapcalc, soapcalc.com, calc.com. See that? soapcalc.com, and then enter. Okay, it will show you this website. Okay, first step, you click recipe calculator. In making laundry soap, we will use sodium hydroxide. Let's click this sodium hydroxide. And then for weights of oils, we will use ounces, but you can also use pounds, ounces, or grams. But for this video, I will use ounces. And then on this part, you will find all kinds of oils, fats, and waxes. So we will pick coconut oil. Select coconut oil. There. Click that coconut oil. There you are. And then click this portion, add. There. It appears coconut oil. And then instead of percent, we will use ounces. Click ounces. So for this recipe, we will make 2 pounds. So 16 for coconut oil. The other fats that we will be needing is soybean oil. Okay, we see soybean oil, and then add, click add. There, it adds soybean oil. And then for ounces, we'll put 16. Okay, so we will be only making 2 pounds. So that's already 2 pounds. 16 plus 16, that's 32. And then after that, you click number 7, which is calculate the recipe. So click calculate. It appears 32. And then click this view or print. So for this recipe, we will only have coconut oil and soybean oil. And there's the ounces. This is what we need. And then the 32 ounces for both coconut oil and soybean oil. Okay, for water, for this recipe, the water 12.16. That's the water we need for in making this laundry soap. For lye solution or sodium hydroxide, we need 4.86. And the total oils is 32. Okay, now we will check our recipe. Soap bar quality for this recipe. The range for hardness is 29 to 54. And in this recipe, we got 48. So this is very hard soap. For cleansing, it's really high. Between 12 to 22, we got 34. Wow, this is super high cleansing. For conditioning, between 44 to 69, we have 46 for this recipe. Bubbly. So it's very bubbly. 34. Between 14 and 46, you get 34 for this recipe. Creamy, 16, 48, and you got 14. So for me, in making laundry bar soap, I would go on more bubbly, 34. Okay, so that's how we make our recipe for laundry bar. Now we can print this and we will make soap. So that's how I make my recipe for laundry bar. And for this portion recipe name, you can put laundry bar. Laundry bar soap. Laundry bar. Okay. So now we will start to print. So click here, print recipe. Okay, so there you are. I will print this. One page only. So I'll pick black and white. I don't need colored. Okay. Then click print. So this will be our recipe for laundry bar. High cleansing and hard bars. This is the recipe. Let's make soap. Thanks for watching.